Hi, today I'm going to show you guys how to make this delicious turkey burger. You can use beef if you prefer, but I think that you will really like this one because it's elevated. So these are some of the ingredients that you'll need, so let's get straight into it. First, I'm going to start cooking up my black pepper turkey bacon. You can use the regular if you prefer. I got it from HEB. I like black pepper bacon, whether it's full fat bacon or turkey bacon. Is actually really good. Some of them are spicy though, but this one's not spicy, just has really good flavor. Once I cook up that bacon, I'm going to wipe out my skillet, get rid of that gunk, and I'm burning my fingers up, child. Then I'm gonna add some roasted garlic herb butter down in here. Y'all, why is garlic butter so expensive? See, this is why I've been making stuff all the way from scratch on this channel. Y'all be like, man, that's too much. No, it's better and cheaper, okay? So I'm gonna toast my buns up. I'm using brioche buns, and this is what it looks like. So basically I'm prepping right now, getting everything nice and ready for that when I cook the patties. Speaking of the patties, it'll be good and ready to go. So to my ground turkey, I'm gonna add a whole bunch of scallions. So it's basically like a scallion burger, and with the turkey bacon in it. Now I'm gonna add the turkey bacon that I cooked up, and I didn't want to add all of it, so I added most of it. And I'm gonna season this with some Parmesan cheese as well. This is the Nashville hot seasoning and the green hatch chili seasoning, and a little salt, not too much. It does have bacon and cheese, so you don't want to over salt it. I know some of y'all like putting 100 spices in y'all food. Don't do that. It's you got cheese in here, lots of scallions, spices, the bacon. You don't really need it, but that's just me. So I wet my hands. Make sure you wet your hands. That's a pro tip. Wet your hands, and then you can form your patty nice and easily, no problem. So I'll put it down into a hot skillet, about medium heat. That's number 7 for me, I believe it was. Number 7 or 6, or in between 6 and 7. And you want to sear these off for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until the internal temp is, cooked. Now for the sauce, you want to add some mayo. Down in here, I'm going to be using some mustard, some Southwest mustard, some ketchup, and some chopped up pickles, and of course some salt and pepper. You want to mix that up. Honestly, this Southwest mustard is a game changer because I make this burger sauce for all kinds of things before, and it didn't taste this good. I think you should get it if you're able to. If you just like your yellow mustard, you're good. Like, don't make it a big deal. I'm just letting you guys know, just spend the extra couple dollars for the Southwest mustard. I think it might be even some cents, not even dollars. But this is the sauce. You want to put it to the side. Now I'm going to flip my burgers. Y'all, look at that crust. Look at that crust. Okay? Nice and crusty. The skillet was nice and hot and ready to go. So now I'm going to put my Pepperjack cheese on top. You could put whatever, cheese you prefer. I prefer y'all not use like cheddar, like yellow cheddar. Use something like a Monterey or a Pepperjack or something like that. So now let's start building the burger. I'm gonna put the bun down, the sauce. You can put as much sauce as you prefer. Okay, Karen, don't come for me. I ain't got time for it. It's my burger. I can put the sauce that I want. So now I'm gonna put the lettuce on top just like this. Next, I'm gonna put some tomatoes. These are heirloom tomatoes. That's why they look like this. Yes, I'm gonna sprinkle it with salt because tomatoes don't bring nothing to the party. Okay. The juicy, delicious, savory, just everything burger patty goes right on top of that. Just be careful and gentle. Then I add the sauce, more sauce on top, and then put the bun in, baby. We's done, baby. We's done. You got a man and you want to cook for him, make this. I bet you, girl, make the burger. Make the burger. Y'all know I don't post nothing if it don't work out. If this burger wasn't good, it wouldn't make it to my channel. Speaking of that, if y'all want me to post videos where the recipe turned out bad but you would still make it, let me know, because I have a lot of throwaway videos. I post nothing if it doesn't work. I do not post it. But this is what the inside looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. If you make this recipe, tag me and let me know what you think, and follow me on social media, child. Okay guys, bye.